So in this problem, we have 3 people participating in a seminar, and we assume all 3 people are alive or in 3 different cars, so they're independently. And the probability of any of them being late is 0.2 or 20%. So we're going to let the note x be the number of people late. So as we do this, right, we have our calculation of let x be late, L denoted as probability of being late, T and is on time. So we do 100% minus 20%, so we have an 80% chance that they're going to be there on time. So P of x, we have 0.8 to the power of 3, right? As we do this, we have an answer of 0.512. So this is because it has 3 people, right? That's why I would multiply it by power of 3. So as we do this, now we're going to do P capital X equals 1. So trying to find out if one person's late, right? So as we do this, we have a calculation of 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.2 plus, right, plus 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.2, right? As we do this, we're going to do some calculations as well too. So as we get ahead of ourselves, we're going to multiply, and then we're just going to break it down just a little bit. So as we break it down, it's a little bit easier for us just to see what we're actually doing. So 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.2, it's 0.128, right? And then plus 0.128. And because we have 3 people, we're also going to do another one. 0.128. We get a sum of 0.384. Right? So this is denoted as the events. Sorry, I don't know why I put 3. The events if person 1, 2, or 3 is late. So we do this now, we're going to see if P equals 3. This means if all 3 are late. So now we have 0.2 to the power of 3, and our answer is 0.008. So that's our probability for the first part if we're trying to find the distribution of PMFX, which is distribution of if all 3 are late, 2 are late, or 1 person is late, right? As we do this, now we're going to try to find, right, that's 0.08. We'll do also PX equals 2, because we forgot to do if 2 people are late, right? And we get an answer of 0.09, right? We're going to do the calculation. We're going to do this. We're still do the calculation though. All right. So P equals 2. So P equals 2 is, right, the sum of 0.032, and that is 0.8 times 0.2 times 0.2. So if we break this down, this is 0.8 times 0.2 times 0.2 plus, right, plus 0.8 times 0.2 times 0.2 plus the last one, 0.8 times 0.2 times 0.2. This we get, right, if we do the calculation right now, times it by 3, it's 0.096 as our sum. So that's part A. All right. Part B, what we have is now we're trying to find E of x, right? The mean and the variance of x. Right? So as we do this now, we're going to go over these calculations of part 2 or part B. So we know EX equals N times the probability, and variance EX squared equals N times P 1 minus P. Right? So as we do this, E of x. So we know there's 3 people. The probability of them being late is times 0.2. So we get 0.6. Ex prime, the same thing, not prime, square root, equals 3 times 0.2. And the probability of 1 minus them being late. And we get an answer of 0.4d8 or 448% chance as well. Awesome. So as we do this, I hope you have a good day.